Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and this one comes from Denise, who visited the Angsana in Corfu.
This is our room. It is beautiful. This is a one-bedroom suite.
And just look at those views out of the window. What a lovely room. This is a one-bedroom suite.
And look at those views. Amazing. The barley bed as well on the balcony. That's our suite.
And here are some of the dining options.
Breakfast buffet. My choice bakery.
Certainly plenty of choice, and it looks high quality too. And this is a spa resort, and there are plenty of things to do in terms of relaxation and treatment. Look at this list. If you are staying in one of the villas here, you can even book a spa treatment in your room in the privacy of your own villa. This pool is 1,000 square meters, and in 2022 was voted the best hotel pool in the world. It's certainly one of the biggest infinity pools you'll ever see. And here's a look at some of the other rooms and suites available at this resort. why not treat yourself to a villa with a private pool? And I hope this little video has given you a flavour of the Angsana Resort in Corfu. And thank you very much to Denise for providing some footage. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if, of course, you want to. Where's your favourite place to stay in Corfu? Why not join the conversation and leave a comment below? Bye for now.